So you have forgotten your iPad passcode. Maybe it's been sitting in a drawer for months, maybe your kid locked it after too many wrong guesses, or maybe you just blanked. It happens to the best of us. The good news, you can get back into your iPad. The not so great news, you will have to erase it first. But don't worry, I will show you how to restore everything from a backup too. By the end of this guide, your iPad will be unlocked and working like new, so let's get right into it. Before we jump into the fixes, let's quickly understand what's happening. When you enter the wrong passcode multiple times, here's what your iPad does. When you enter your iPad passcode wrong for a number of times, your iPad is disabled for 1 minute, then it is disabled for 5 minutes, then 15 minutes, then 60 minutes, and then iPad is permanently disabled or even erased if you had that setting on. If your iPad screen says iPad unavailable or iPad is disabled, connect to iTunes, don't worry. Okay, method 1 is the easiest, but it only works if your iPad is running iOS 15.2 or later. Here's what to do. On the passcode entry screen, try entering the wrong passcode until you see the iPad unavailable message. Look at the bottom right of the screen. You should see an option that says Forgot Passcode. Tap it. On the Forgot Passcode page, tap on the Start iPad Reset option. Sign in with your Apple ID and password. This is important. Apple requires this to prove that you own the device. The iPad will erase itself and restart. Then you can set it up fresh or restore from a backup. If you don't see the Forget Passcode option, your iOS version might be older. Move on to the method 2. Let's use the recovery mode method to get your iPad working again. This works on any iPad model regardless of iPadOS version. We will use Finder if you are on a Mac running macOS Catalina or later. If you are running older version of macOS or if you are on Windows PC, then you will need iTunes. Download link for iTunes is shared in the description of this video. Here's what you need: a Mac or a Windows PC running iTunes or Finder, and a USB cable, Lightning or USB-C depending on your iPad model. First of all, turn off your iPad. Press and hold the top button and either volume up or down button simultaneously until the power off slider appears. Drag it to shut it down. Now it's time to enter recovery mode on your iPad. This step is different depending on your iPad model. First of all, connect the USB cable to your computer and then plug it into your iPad. On iPads with Face ID, quickly press and release the volume up button, then volume down button, and then press and hold the top button until you see the recovery mode screen. If you have an older iPad with a physical home button, press and hold both the home button and the top or side buttons together until the recovery mode screen appears on your iPad screen. At this point, Finder or iTunes should detect your iPad. If they don't open automatically, launch them. Now a pop-up will appear that will say something like there is a problem with your iPad, you must restore it. You should click on the restore button. At this point, iTunes or Finder will download the latest iPadOS version and restore your device. This can take between 15 minutes up to 1 hour depending on your internet speed. Once it restarts, you will be on the Hello screen. Set it up fresh or restore from a backup. You can also erase your iPad remotely using the Find My app on your iPhone or iCloud.com in any web browser. This is perfect if you don't have a cable handy or you're away from your home. For this, your iPad must be signed into iCloud, Find My iPad must have been enabled on the device, and your iPad needs an internet connection. On your iPhone, open the Find My app or in any web browser, open iCloud.com and sign into your Apple ID. In the Find My app, click on the Devices tab from the bottom. From the list of devices, find the iPad that you need to erase. Scroll down and under Settings, tap on the Erase button. Your iPad will erase the next time it connects to the internet. Once it does, it will restart to the Hello screen. Now that your iPad is erased, let's get your stuff back. When your iPad restarts and you reach the Apps and Data screen, you will have two options. Either you can restore from your iCloud backup or restore from a Mac or a PC backup. Simply select Restore from iCloud Backup or connect your iPad to your computer and in Finder or iTunes, click Restore Backup. Choose your backup and then finally restore. If you have never made a backup, unfortunately your data won't be recoverable. That's why backups are so important. Alright, so you're back into your iPad. Amazing. Let's make sure this never happens again. Here are my top 3 tips. Use Face ID or Touch ID. Biometrics are way faster and you will never forget your face or fingerprint. Simply go to Settings and tap on Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode to set it up. Next, store your passcode somewhere safe. Use a password manager like iCloud Keychain, 1Password, or even a secure note. Don't rely on memory alone. And turn on automatic iCloud backups. For this, open the Settings app, tap on your name, then tap on iCloud and turn on iCloud backup. Your iPad will back up automatically every night when it's charging and on Wi-Fi. This is a lifesaver. And that's it. You have successfully unlocked your iPad. Whether you use the recovery mode or Find My app, you made it through like a champ. If this guide helped you out, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you've got a friend who's staring at a disabled iPad right now, share this video with them. Drop any questions in the comments below and I will try my best to answer. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a tip. Thanks for watching.